In today's video we are putting the JMGO O2S Ultra against the XGIMI Horizon 20 Max to see which triple laser 4K projector truly dominates your home theater. If you want to know the difference in the prices of these projectors, make sure to check the link in the description below. The JMGO jumps out with its crazy ultra short throw ratio, letting you park it inches from the wall for a massive 150-inch picture, while the XGIMI fights back with a brighter 5700 lumen engine that handles daylight like a champ but needs more room to breathe because its standard throw design demands distance. You will love the JMGO's 20W Dynaudio speakers, which deliver room-filling Dolby Atmos sound right out of the box without external gear, yet the XGIMI counters with Harman Kardon tuning and a jaw-dropping 1 millisecond input lag that makes competitive gaming buttery smooth, something the JMGO simply cannot match. The JMGO wins on portability and minimalist design, sliding effortlessly into small apartments or bedrooms, whereas the XGIMI flexes its optical zoom and lens shift, giving you installation freedom without degrading image quality, plus IMAX Enhanced certification for that premium cinema snob appeal. However, the JMGO's 3600 lumens fall short in brightly lit family rooms, where the XGIMI's 5700 lumens and superior 20,000:1 contrast ratio deliver punchier blacks and highlights that survive afternoon sunlight. Both offer Google TV with native Netflix, so streaming is identical, but the JMGO's compact build means less heat and noise, while the XGIMI's larger chassis houses better cooling for marathon gaming sessions. Honestly, the JMGO feels like the clever living room companion you barely notice until the lights go down, whereas the XGIMI demands attention like a serious piece of cinema hardware that means business. If you love movie nights with friends and minimal setup hassle, the JMGO will make you look like a tech wizard, but if you are chasing reference quality visuals for a dedicated media room, the XGIMI leaves everything else in the dust. After weighing the pros and cons, the XGIMI Horizon 20 Max is the best choice for most people because its raw brightness, gaming performance, and lens flexibility justify the premium for anyone serious about picture quality. Do yourself a favor and check the link in the description below to grab the XGIMI at the best price before stock runs out.